Have you ever heard the phrase, where there's a will, there is a way? While this is a common motivational statement, science has actually begun to support this idea. In fact, scientific studies have proven that when a person believes they can get smarter, they do. This initial thought allows for an individual to understand that effort in reaching an educational peak makes him or her stronger. They then therefore put in extra time and effort to reach that peak. Research has also shown that our brains are far more moldable than we ever knew. When we continually practice something intellectually, we're in fact exercising our brains and allowing it to build new neural networks. If we combine these two thoughts, it leads us to what's called growth mindset, or the understanding that abilities and intelligence can in fact be developed. So much so that it turns out if you believe your brain can grow, you actually behave in a more productive manner. Students that put themselves into a growth mindset view challenges as a chance to grow and improve their skills. They'll find new ways of doing things to persevere through difficult times. They're tenacious in the face of any academic setbacks. So what can you do to help get yourself into a growth mindset? Well, number one, recognize if you're doubting yourself or your own abilities. If you are doubting yourself or your abilities, think about how you can perhaps change your technique in the process of learning. It helps to go back and think about something in your life that took you time to learn. How did you overcome that obstacle? How did you feel once you overcame that obstacle? Number two, it's important to praise the effort that you put into overcoming those obstacles. You may make mistakes along the way, but following through to the end is the most important part. If you really think about it, the harder it is to achieve a goal, the greater the victory. Number three, embrace the mistakes that you make. We're all going to make mistakes, but remember, there's a connection between making a mistake and a deep learning.